This is the Touareg RE Hybrid, Volkswagen's first plug-in hybrid model to Australia and the most powerful production model from the brand to date. Now, as the car comes to showrooms in the next couple of months, Volkswagen tells us that we can expect more features and more value from the high-performance hybrid large SUV. Now, this is a pre-production model, so I can't take it for a whirl today, but I'll be taking you through everything from design to tech, right through to cost. So come with me. The Volkswagen Touareg RE Hybrid is a 3-litre turbocharged V6 petrol engine with an electric motor. Priced from $129,990 before on-road costs, this large SUV will be the only plug-in hybrid from the brand, which is otherwise prioritising their electric car lineup. Aside from premium paint, there are no optional extras with this car. There is just one single fully equipped spec on offer. Volkswagen are expecting the car to hit showrooms in April. In terms of design, the Touareg is as powerful and as muscular as ever. It's just been ramped up quite a few notches. The badge is bigger than ever before. It's got a light bar along here, and the LED headlights are now high definition, so they are extra precise when you're driving. Now, as for the wheels, they are now 22 inches, and you've got the classic bright blue brake calipers included. In a nod to the car's sporty credentials, there's lots of little black details dotted around the car, such as with the mirror shells. Then, if you look at the roof rails here, they've now got roof load sensors integrated so they can detect weight, which is a really cool new tech feature. At the rear of the car then, I'm able to show off the really awesome new LED light signature. And then if I just pop the electric tailgate there, I can show off all 810 litres of boot space, which is big enough to fit a pram, a couple of suitcases, anything practical that you need. Now, you've got about 51 kilometres of range if you want to drive purely electric, and then it takes about 8 hours to charge from 0 to 100. Stepping inside the car then, and you are met with all of this technology and luxury, which is just as well because this car comes in just one fully equipped spec. In front of me then, I have got a huge 15-inch infotainment system, which now comes with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. I've also got a 12.3-inch digital instrument display cluster in front of me and some lovely ambient lighting. Now, I'm sat in lovely buckety leather seats, really soft, and they've got this little blue trim around it, as you can see, which is just a nod to the car's sporty credentials. You can now also customise your Touareg with 2 different lighting colours in the interior. The doors, cup holders and central console can all have one colour, whilst a different colour can be applied to the lights in the footwells and passenger side of the dashboard. So as a backseat passenger, I'm actually met with the same level of luxury. I've got loads of light and space thanks to the panoramic sunroof and lots of legroom as well. And there's plenty of amenities, a spot for my coffees, a couple of USB ports down here, and this car is actually 4-zone climate control. So we can all choose how hot or cold we want to be. There's going to be no complaints from me here in the back. Powering this car is a 250 kilowatt, 450 newton meter, 3-litre turbocharged petrol V6 engine with a 100 kilowatt, 400 newton meter electric motor and a 14.1 kilowatt hour battery and 8-speed automatic transmission. This combines for 340 kilowatts and 700 newton meters, which makes the Touareg R the most powerful series production Volkswagen of all time. The car comes with an impressive array of safety features, including a 360-degree camera, park assist, front cross-traffic assist, lane keeping assist and rear cross-traffic alerts. The new high-definition LED headlights have 19,200 pixels per headlight, providing for long range and precise lighting. And on that note, this model comes with night vision technology exclusive only to the Touareg R. A thermal imaging camera is integrated into the car to better detect humans and animals during nighttime driving. So there you have it. Volkswagen's first foray into a plug-in hybrid in Australia, and, upon first glance, it appears to be the height of sporty sophistication. But what about when we put it through its paces on the roads? Keep your eyes peeled across Drive.com.au to see the first driving reviews of the Volkswagen Touareg R e-Hybrid.